Hi, I'm Stephen Korossy. I'm from the Parma Midtown Conrad store. Came in here not knowing much crazy knowledge about brakes and how brake lines work, but everything in this whole training has really opened my mind on how it actually works. It really helped me develop actual skills and to create a good procedure on how to actually take apart the calipers and put the brakes in correctly and how to fix studs and all that kind of good jazz. I wasn't really familiar with it. I've only been in this business for about 6 to 8 months. I mean, I did it by myself and my father in the past, but this course definitely really opened my mind with it and helped me really understand actually how brakes and how everything really functions and how the pistons move and how everything in the whole brake system works in general. I really think that this course is recommended for anybody who is looking to increase their knowledge in brakes or in anything with this training, matrix training. They're awesome. I must say, I think Conrad, for everything that they've sent me to for training, they are awesome for this. Like this means a lot. It's very helpful, and I can't thank them enough. So.